Hi everyone, I am back. Oh my goodness me, I had the most amazing wedding, honeymoon, the week with the family. It was phenomenal. I have been back nearly a week and I am a bit behind with doing videos, and I will be putting a video up with all the wedding photos to show you, to share with you. Before I carry on, I must just show you this. I have not been in a scrap. This is actually Mr. Bing. He obviously missed me so much and he tried to jump on my shoulders and caught hold of my face instead. So it's not me and Tony having a fallout already, because that would be disastrous. But I am back. I've not been very well, unfortunately, so I'm feeling a little bit better now. The last couple of days of the honeymoon I became ill, which, you know, was a bit sad because we're still away and everything, and then I've been poorly since I've been back, but thank goodness I'm starting to feel a little bit better. So next week I will be back with videos, a giveaway. I'll be starting to get back into swinger things. You can't get rid of me that easy. I've missed you all so very much, honestly. Let me give you a sneak peek of This Is Me. Look, oh my gosh, it was just the most amazing wedding. It was the most phenomenal week with my family, and marrying the man of my dreams was just, oh my gosh, it was perfect. Don't just get me crying, because I wish I could go back and do it all again. Look, that's the cake moment. But I didn't get him. I honestly didn't, but I wanted to. And my beautiful daughter there, and that's the dress. And look, she's trying not to cry. I'm trying not to cry. But I will put a video together. Don't get me emotional, because it was a fairy tale. I could never in my wildest dreams have imagined that it would be so beautiful, and I was so emotional and everyone was so emotional. It was just lovely. Oh my god. Oh, stop it now. Anyway, I wanted to say hi, and I know you're probably wondering how it all went and everything, and it was amazing, and I'm sorry I haven't been on camera sooner. I look a mess at the moment, but I just thought I wanted to say hi to you all and to tell you I'm back. From next week, all systems go again. I've missed you all. Thank you all so much for your lovely, you know, wishing us congratulations and wedding cards, and my special people that have sent special gifts that I will treasure forever and help make my day, our day, a wonderful. I'm a Mrs. now. Look, I'm a Mrs. Look at my ring. Oh, I'm a Mrs. But I will be back next week. I haven't vanished off the face of the earth, even though I could have probably stayed in Greece a bit longer. But look at my face. I look like I've been battered. I just went to the shops and I kept getting funny looks. It's so sore. Right, we will all be back next week. A big hello, lots of kisses, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.